The computer world. AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that allows you to access and control another computer or device remotely. Here's how to use AnyDesk. Download and install the AnyDesk software on the computer or device that you want to control remotely. Launch the AnyDesk software on the computer or device that you want to control remotely. On the main AnyDesk screen, you will see your AnyDesk ID. This is a unique number that identifies your computer or device. Share your AnyDesk ID with the person who wants to remotely access your computer or device. Ask the person to launch the AnyDesk software on their own computer or device. In the Remote Desk section of their AnyDesk screen, they should enter your AnyDesk ID in the Remote Desk field. Click on Connect to establish a remote connection to your computer or device. Once the connection is established, the person will be able to see and control your computer or device. To end the remote connection, simply click on the X icon in the top right corner of the AnyDesk window. That's it. With AnyDesk, you can easily and securely access and control another computer or device remotely.